Hi, I'm Jenny.
And I'm Honey.
And we're part of the team that make up Colouring Heaven.
We're so excited to be here talking to you in our first ever video here on the Colouring Heaven YouTube channel.
We've got big plans for this channel and we can't wait to tell you about them.
We're going to be posting a new video every Friday at midday UK time, and there's going to be plenty of content to keep you entertained.
Make sure you click subscribe and hit the little bell so you don't miss a video. Colouring Heaven has always aimed to be the ultimate colouring resource. We bring you the best magazines so you've got the material. We launched the website so you have extra resources, and we have our dedicated Facebook groups and social media channels so you have the community.
So now we want to round off our offering by bringing you original Colouring Heaven video content. We'll help you finesse your skills, so whether you're a beginner or an experienced colourist, we'll make sure that there's something for everybody.
We're going to be working with a super talented colouring pencil artist who will bring you only the best colouring tutorials.
She's incredibly talented, so I'm sure you're going to find the tutorials really useful. So, what can you expect from us?
We'll bring you 2 in-depth tutorials every single month using brand new Colouring Heaven and Colouring Heaven collection issues. So if you're a Colouring Heaven Plus member, you have inspiration ready just in time for your new magazine to arrive.
If you're new to Colouring Heaven, you may not know that we offer a membership called Colouring Heaven Plus. So as part of this membership, you receive the new issue of Colouring Heaven delivered direct to your door each month. As well as the print magazine, you also get a range of other great monthly benefits. These include sneak peeks of the upcoming issues, exclusive digital download designs, access to our Colouring Heaven Discovery Club monthly email, 10% off our online shop, and early access to the videos on this channel.
But don't worry, you don't need to be a Colouring Heaven Plus member to enjoy these videos, although we think being a member is amazing. The tutorials are for everybody.
There's also going to be an amazing full-page speed colour video every month, so you get to see our artists complete an entire colouring page. I don't know about you, but I find speed colour videos incredibly satisfying to watch. I love seeing the end product and getting to see how someone goes about completing an entire page from start to finish and taking little tips from their process.
They are very compelling. And last but certainly not least, we have the Colouring Heaven show that we'll be releasing every month as well. I hope you enjoy watching them as much as Honey and I enjoy making them.
The Colouring Heaven show is going to be Jen and I talking all things colouring. So some months Jen will be teaching me how to colour something, which should be very entertaining. Other months might be rating our favourite ever Colouring Heaven pages, or we might be taking part in colouring challenges. The list goes on.
We hope you guys are really going to love it, and we can't wait to share it with you. If you have any suggestions of what you'd like to see us film, then please let us know in the comments below. We're going to read all the comments and reply to as many as we can, as we really want to know what you want to see from us.
Honestly, I'm so excited to be able to show you all of the content we have coming up. We've never done anything like this before and we really are proud of it, so we hope that you guys are going to love it. So don't forget, there's going to be a new video on this channel next Friday, UK midday time. And make sure to like this video and hit subscribe.
And hit the notification bell. See you soon, guys.
Bye.